Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a rolling credits effect for the end of your video, just like this. To get started, I already have a video where I want to add the credits roll. First, bring the playhead to the end of your video. Click on text and drag and drop a text layer into the timeline. Next, on the right-hand side, you'll see a text box where you can input your credits. For example, if you don't have a list ready, you can use ChatGPT to generate one. Just ask it for an example of a rolling credits list, including positions and names, and make it for something like a film by Data Geek. Once you have the text generated, copy it and paste it into a document or sticky notes. Clean it up by removing any unnecessary formatting and arrange it to your liking. After that, copy the refined text and paste it into the text box in your video editor. To adjust the formatting, press Ctrl+A or CMD+A on Mac to select all the text. You can then customize the font, style, and size to fit your screen perfectly. Now, to create the rolling effect, make sure the text layer is selected. Drag the text box to the bottom of your screen. On the right-hand side, look for the position option and set a keyframe. Then, move the playhead to the end of the timeline. Go back to the screen and drag the text box upward until the last part of your text is off-screen. This action will automatically add a second keyframe. Let's check the result. If the text is rolling too fast, you can slow it down by dragging the text layer to make it longer on the timeline. Adjust the keyframes accordingly to spread them out and achieve the perfect speed. If it's still too fast, repeat this process until it looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully added rolling credits to your video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.